Measure out 16 inches for the basic wire. Make a 5 bead basic with 10 beads in the basic loop. Coil the basic wire. Clip it with a paper clip if you wish, to keep it out of the way. Make 5 rows with rounded tops and pointed bottoms. And this is why you might want to clip it with a paper clip. But I live life on the edge, as you can see. Uncoil the basic wire. Bend the working wire down the back of the petal, over the base of the petal, and wrap it under to the right. Twist the working wire and the top basic wire together up a 1/4 inch to form a new twisted wire. And string on 5 beads. Recoil the basic wire. Make another petal. Follow the previous steps until you have 6 petals. The top basic wire is now one of the tail wires. Unwind any twists in the basic loop. Divide the beads so that there are 5 beads on each side. Cut the top and not the ends. Now it's time to maneuver the working wire so that it is next to one of the cut wires. Take the working wire and wrap it around between the first 2 petals. Continue wrapping the working wire between each petal until it is next to the cut loop wire. Now make the next 2 petals on the split basic wires as usual. Cut another tail wire off the spool. Finish the top wires for the last 2 petals as usual. This is an optional step if you don't like the back wires on the petals. Cut the back wire so that there is a small wire bit on the top. Take the longer wire and wrap it around between 2 petals tightly. Cut the excess wire and tuck in with pliers. Twist the 2 tail wires together slightly. Reposition one of the tail wires so that there is one on either side of the petals.